We're coming to our last awards, the major awards. And the keynote presentation were well ahead. But senior kōtiro for athletics, Tui pretty much, Tui won every single event was at athletics. Congratulations, Tui. The next person, our athletics champion, senior boy, also somebody who won every event there was at athletics. Goes to Taupōtiki Dawson Lord. He's not here today. Taupōtiki is not here today. His whānau have already left the country to go on holiday. So we will just put that aside. I also wanted to mention, because Taupōtiki is the year 8, I also just wanted to mention that we had Jay Te Aonui, who was a year 7, who also won every event that he did in athletics. So congratulations, Jay. Moving on to our next major award. Our Senior Sportsperson of the Year. This year goes to William. And these little ones down the front are holding in because we've got the last award, and that goes to Junior Sportsperson of the Year. Our recipient for 2025 is Cody Rockwood. What do you know? Something in the water in there, buddy, eh? Congratulations to our major award winners. Paki paki mai. Ka pai koutou. Before I move on to the very last slideshow that we've got for you, a wee little treat. This one is from Matua Fred before he does his closing speech to you all. Of course, none of this would be possible without the support of our coaches, of you, our whānau, and also our teachers. All the kaiako have stepped in as well. Thank you for the time and energy you dedicate to encouraging and guiding our tamariki. You are a vital part of their journey. I'd like to extend a huge thank you to all of you, all our coaches, our unsung heroes. And as I call your name, can you please make your way forward to the stage where you will be presented with something a little sweet to say thank you for putting up with all of our tamariki and getting out there and doing the job that we all need you to do. So our students, sports teach us so much more than how to win. They teach us about perseverance, teamwork, and how to overcome challenges. So lessons that will serve you well in all areas of your life. So I'm just going to ask for a few of these sports coaches who I can see out in the crowd today to make their way to the stage and just receive a wee thank you from us to you. And I'm going to ask for some of our recipients of their certificates to come up onto the stage so you can help hand over a tiakurete to our coaches. Haramai Matua Marcus. Haramai Matua Sam. Haramai Waitina. Auki. Hara mai whai a Mariana. Hara mai whai a Anahira. Hara mai whai a Christy. Hara mai whai a Te Pūpuki. Hara mai whai Sandy. Hara mai matua Kepi. Hara mai matua Nete Akuhata. Hara mai whai Cheryl. Hara mai whai Chanel. Hara mai matua Hamish. Koutou mā, put your hands together, paki paki mai for all our amazing people. I'm just having a wee look to see if young Xavier or Caleb are in the crowd. Are they here today? Oh, I think that's it. Charlie, can you come up on behalf of Papa or Papa or Ross, please? I'll be giving him a call to make sure you didn't eat them before you got home, Charlie. Ali, can we get you to come up to receive on behalf of your mama or Whai Atapai? Reed or Kaya, can you come and receive the box of chocolates on behalf of your mum, please? Sit up, Reed. Kaya, can you come and receive box for Whai Pani on behalf of your mum? And can Ariana come forward to receive on behalf of your mum or Whai Christy? Ui, can you come up? Ui, Haramai. Oh, okay. Haramai, you can receive on behalf of your mama or Whai Te Pūpuki. Hazen, can you come and receive on behalf of your mama, please, Hazen? Or Whai Chanel? Haramai. Arteria, are you here in the crowd? Can you come and receive on behalf of your papa, Matua Ke? Who I have there? Meihana. Haramai Meihana, you can receive this on behalf of your papa, Matua Niki Akuhata. Round touch. Kapai, looks like I have been able to he mihi nunui kia koutou, mo tō mahi tēnei tau. Love the way that you are out there supporting all of our tamariki. We appreciate each and every one of you. Paki paki mai whānau. Right, we're going to be listening to a video that Mr. Butter has chosen for us. He's going to come and have a kōrero first, so you need to be sitting up nicely. Nōtika, ata whakarongo, kapai.
Tēnā tātou, tēnā koutou, tēnā mātou, I te iwi o Ngāti Whakaue, Mauri ora. You are all going to be successful. Who are you? Watch and listen very carefully. Lights, please. Go.
Money can buy you almost anything. It can't buy you immortality. That you have to earn. I'm gonna look you in the eyes, and I'm gonna tell you the future. You were cut from your high school basketball team. You willed your way to the NBA. You're gonna win championships. It's an American story, and that's why Americans are gonna love it. People are gonna build you up. God, are they going to? Because when you're great and new, we love you. Man, we'll build you into something that doesn't even exist. You're gonna change the fucking world. But you know what? Once they've built you as high as they possibly can, they're gonna tear you back down. It's the most predictable pattern. We build you into something that doesn't exist, and that means you have to try to be that thing. All day, every day. That's how it works. And we do it again, and again, and again. And I'm gonna tell you the truth. You're gonna be attacked, betrayed, exposed, and humiliated. And you'll survive that. A lot of people can climb that mountain. It's the way down that breaks them. Because that's the moment when you are truly alone. And what will you do then? Can you summon the will to fight on through all the pain and rise again? Who are you, Michael? That will be the defining question of your life. And I think you already know the answer. And that's why we're all here. A shoe is just a shoe. Until somebody steps into it. Then it has meaning. The rest of us just want a chance to touch that greatness. And we need you in these shoes, not so you have meaning in your life, but so that we have meaning in ours. Everyone at this table will be forgotten as soon as our time here is up. Except for you. You're going to be remembered forever. Because some things are eternal. You're Michael Jordan. And your story is going to make us want to fly.
So who are you? You go fly.
Now, Mr. Papa. We're just going to end. We're just going to end. I think Tirito had passed on a video clip to by Clara. To put it, no, Cole didn't show it. Oh, Firewise got it. Amy. We're just going to have because I asked him last night, he's just made a quick little snippet this morning, just to show a couple of things that for some of you people might only be a couple of, maybe 2-3 years away. To my torenga, hands up if you can remember, don't call it out, how old Te Rito is. Put up your hand if you can tell me there. Ava. 16, 2 Avas answered, awesome. So he's just 16. He was 15 when he travelled to Brazil, because he's just turned 16. So he was 15 when he travelled over there. So for some of you people, that's only a couple of years away to be able to do a sport at an elite level. So he's just put something together, so let's have a little look and a listen. For 1 minute, you go, 55 seconds. He's the steerer, so he steers his wok, he sits in the back of the waka. Okay, this brings us to the end of our sports prize giving.